Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated welcome email in Wix using Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to instantly connect with new subscribers or customers the moment they sign up, making them feel valued right from the start. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Automations. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up automated workflows that save you time and keep your audience engaged. You'll be directed to the Automations page, which houses all your active and draft automations in one convenient place. Now, to create your welcome email automation, look at the top right part of the screen and click on Create Automation. This is where you'll begin building the workflow that welcomes new subscribers automatically. First, we need to determine how the welcome email will be triggered. Wix provides several types of triggers, but for a welcome email, the most common and effective one is get an email when a form is submitted. This trigger works perfectly when a customer subscribes or fills out one of your forms, most likely a sign-up form. Once they complete that action, your automation will kick in and send them a warm welcome message right away, making sure no new subscriber goes unnoticed. Now, beside the get an email when a form is submitted automation, click the Setup button. This will take you directly to the Wix Automation Editor page, where you'll configure the details of your automation. This is where you'll customize exactly what happens when someone signs up. Start by editing the form trigger. Click on the form trigger step, and from the drop-down menu where it says this trigger will react, choose specific. Then select the form you want to use, such as your subscribe or sign up form. These types of forms are the ones that usually need welcome messages after someone submits them. So choosing the right form here is crucial for making sure your automation targets the right audience. Once the form step is configured, move on to the email action. This part is straightforward but important. You simply need to customize the email that will be sent to the person who subscribes or signs up. Click on the email action and edit the email content to reflect your brand's voice and message. You can personalize the subject line, greeting, and body text to make your new subscribers feel welcomed and appreciated. Once you're happy with your email content, click on Activate at the top right part of your screen. This will turn your automation live, and from that moment on, every time someone submits your chosen form, they'll automatically receive your welcome email. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated welcome email in Wix that greets new subscribers instantly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.